Hello my friends, you're so welcome to our YouTube channel. You want to make kebab but you don't have barbecue? Don't worry. Watch out this video to find the best Persian pan kebab ever. If this is the first time that you are coming to our YouTube, please do subscribe and click the bell button. Ingredients that we need is 1 pound of minced meat. You can use lamb, beef, or mix of both. 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and 1 garlic clove. Salt, black pepper, and turmeric. And also we need saffron. For brewing saffron, I use 2 cubes of ice and add a pinch of saffron on it. We want 1 tablespoon of cold brew saffron. First grate the onion with the small setting of the grater. When you grate the onion, squeeze the moisture out. We don't want the juice in our kebab. I pour out the moisture, and this is how we want the onion to be. It's very dry. I add the meat into a container, and now I will add the very dry onion into it and knead it a little bit. Now grate the garlic into the mixture. Add salt, red pepper, and turmeric into it. Add 1 tablespoon of brewed saffron into the mixture. Now knead it gently and very well. Add a little bit of oil into a pan. Transfer the meat into a pan. Flatten the mixture with your hand. Use cold water if your fingers are sticky. Now turn on the range and put the lid. After 8 minutes, remove the lid and cut the meat into 2-inch strings. Put the lid on for 2 more minutes. After we cut the meat, turn up the heat into high until the oil water around the meat evaporates. Now flip it over. After you cut the meat, turn on the heat into high until the water evaporates a little bit, and then flip the meat over. After we flip the meat over, do not put the lid on anymore. Let both sides cook and be brown. Now the pan kebab is ready. For well done, flip it over again. Cut tomatoes into halves and put it into leftover oil. Pour a little bit of oil on the tomatoes. Tomatoes are ready. Dear friends, this is the finalized Persian pan kebab. I also cook saffron rice. If you want to know how to cook saffron rice, please follow this link. And I hope you like this video. If you like this, please give it a thumb up. If this was the first time that you were coming to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you for being here. See you next time.